Eric Lenovo with the logo Lenovo is only edited and or altered and is not a real logo. Welcome to the Eric Lenovo monotonously. Eric James is here. I will show you, and I am comparing my dispensers. I have two machine guns and two rapid quad dispensers. So so you want so if you want to vote four of them, two of them, compact versus impact, the team compact and the team impact, just post it in the comment section below. Okay, so I have the command blocks here showing the infinity here, right? Okay, so let's turn it on and make this. Oh, this is the compact flaming arrow machine gun, right? Oh, but I turn it on. This one arrow when you turn on and turn up the lever rapidly. Okay, so I will have the villager with to have a chance of hitting. The faster the dispenser, the higher the chance of hitting, because it has a random strength here. So next is the impact. Whoa! It's too rapid! Very rapid! Whoa! What's that? If you want to vote, this is a voting. And one click of lever has two arrows. Oh god. So let's, yes, two arrows. Yes, two arrows. So next, four arrows. This is the compact quadruple dispenser. It's only a pulsar, right? Pulsar. The pulsar doesn't work. The pulsar has a limit, right? I've watched from Hero PH channel, right? So next is the impact one. Impact quadruple dispenser. What's that? Oh my god. It's just like a rapid infinite dispenser. My god, two clicks. One click for that, right? It works on top and the bottom. From top to bottom. Top to bottom. Okay. One click of lever has four arrows. I don't. Okay, so two clicks times four is 8 arrows. Okay. So we have impact quad dispenser, an impact flaming arrow machine gun, and another compact flaming arrow machine gun. Okay, so I have this. So we have this. Too fast. Switching slots. My god. Anyway. So I have a reception. Look. We have a circuits for that. And let's turn on all of the dispensers before I am very laggy for that. The compact one, does it work? Oh my god. Oh god. You just hold it. No more arrows for the compact flaming arrow machine gun. Let's turn off all of the dispensers. Wait. Yes. No. It is working. Wait. What? Okay, so let's see all of the circuits in 4 dispensers. Okay, so what? After this I will explain. No, I will say normal redstone clock. Yes. Piston. For the dispenser circuits. For the impact one, with the machine gun and quad dispensers, with loop clock with piston switch. And for the compact one, machine gun with redstone clock and quad dispenser with pulsar. Vote. Okay, so I say all of the circuits in 4 dispensers. Okay, so I have a loop circuit with piston switch, pulsar, and redstone clock. So I have a lever switch. Okay, so it's time for taking this. I will. Yes, only an arrangement, right? I will assemble the repeaters here. Okay. When let's load the arrows here, and okay, and the ammunition of the compact machine gun is loaded here. Okay, so anyway, consider subscribing, hit the bell, like this video, comment and share. If you want to vote the compact, if you want to vote compact or impact, just I don't know what's the word. Just type in your comment section below with the following in this video.
Type dispenser space vote space impact or compact. You will have a choice. So thanks to its hero PH, I have watched his Minecraft Rapid Infinite Dispenser but with Pulsar. So thanks for what. See you guys at more videos with it. Okay. Bye bye. Peace.